Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm excited because I'm going to unbox my Scentsy Club, my quarterly Scentsy Club, and it is a big one. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. Comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So if you don't know what a Scentsy Club is, I'm going to go ahead and give you a little spiel on what it is. It's the greatest thing ever, first of all. Okay, so it is a subscription that you create on my website. You can put in any consumable products you want, whether it's your laundry, your clean, your body products, your bars, your light bulbs, your counter clean, your cotton cleanups. Anything that you use and need more of. So like basically not Scentsy Buddies, not warmers, stuff like that, you know? But you can put it in there. You can put whatever quantity you want. You can decide when you want to get it, how often. You get 3 choices. You can do monthly, bi-monthly, or quarterly. You can have one of each, which is what I do, and this is my quarterly. My most favorite perk, you get many perks, but this is my favorite one, is always get my bar, which means that let's say we drop a collection or our catalog's getting ready to change and you're like, eek, I don't know what I'll do if they don't have this scent next catalog. You can put them in your Scentsy Club. So even if you are the only one that wants it in the whole wide world, which I doubt, they will make it just for you. So that is fantastic because you have access to your favorite bars. You're not like, oh, I don't know if I'm going to like that. Like if you know you like something, stick it in your club. That's what I do. I pretty much just warm my favorites. Like I try all the collections. I'll buy one of everything. And if it's great, I'll put it in my club. If it's not for me, then I have a ton of other scents that I can resort back to because I have my favorites. So you get that perk. You also, once your club reaches 10%, 10%, hello. Scratch that, reverse it. Once your Scentsy Club reaches $30, you get 10% off. That's where the 10% came from. Which is fantastic, right? 10% off. Then once your club reaches $60, you also get a half off item. And I love that. So let's go ahead. I think what I'll do, first let me just show you my half off item. Washer whiff tub. I always use my washer whiffs with my laundry. It's like, what, $30 or something like that? I get it 10% or half off. So $15. Hello. On something I'm already going to buy. Love it. All right. So I was going through my bars. And there are a few that I put in last summer when we were switching to the fall winter catalog that I was like, ooh, if these don't come back, I'm going to be so sad. And I need to remove those from my club. I'm going to be doing a separate video. I forgot to do it for my quarterly. I did it for my monthly and bi-monthly, but not for my quarterly. So I can remove those bars. And then before the end of this catalog season, I can put them back in. And that way, if they're not here next summer, I'll have them in my club. So I need to do another video. So I'm going to do those first, okay? So let me see. I'm going to clear this out because this is a big club. All right. So the first one is Apricot Vanilla. It's in our current catalog. So I do not need it in my club right now, but it's phenomenal. I use this as a bedroom scent. I have 2 of them in there. I use it as a bedroom scent. I love this scent. This is a must-have for summer, okay? Another one I need to remove is 2 bars of Skinny Dippin'. Skinny Dippin' was the very first Scentsy scent I ever smelled, and this is what made me, oh my gosh. This is what made me fall in love with Scentsy. Skinny dipping. Phenomenal. So I can remove that. Summer Moonlight is so good. This was a sleeper. I actually wear the room spray on myself because I love this scent, but it is in our current catalog. So I do not need to have it in my scent. Sorry, you guys. These are so good. I don't need to have it in my Scentsy Club. I think that was the last one. So I got to remove those 3. All right, so I'm going to start with my, let's go with fall winter scents. All right. One that I adore, love. It was a brick, not last year, but the year before. I get 2 of them, and it's spiced eggnog. Legit smells like eggnog. It's so good. Oh my God, it's a good one. You guys, this scent is everything. So I get 2 of these, okay? So we'll start with winter. We'll do our winter scents first, okay? The next one is Olaf Warm Hugs. It's basically vanilla mint. So good. So good. So I make sure to get a bar of that. Frosted Petals, which was a brick last winter. And I actually still warm this in my bedroom. I had it in there a couple weeks ago. Ooh, it is so good. I was like, oh my God, that's good. Ooh. That is a great bar. This is a great bar for year round. I hope they put this in our catalog. This was fantastic, and I believe it was a sleeper. I don't think people realized how good this was going to be. Okay, so let's see what else we got going on. Maraschino Sugar Cookie. We're going to call that winter. This was a brick. I still have 2 bricks available for myself because it's so good. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Maraschino Sugar Cookie. Absolutely phenomenal. I use this in my living room. So good. All right, what else was winter? Let's look and see. I can't remember. I think Caramel Chestnut was winter as well. Was this a brick? I don't remember, but it was either a brick or it was part of our winter collection. There was 2 similar ones that I get confused, and I think I have them both in my club. Do I? No, I don't. But man, this is good. I warmed a lot of this in my kitchen last year. Ooh, that is a good bar. That is a really good bar. Okay, any more? Frosted Vanilla. So good. Again, just really good vanilla scent. Lovely. I still warm this in my bedroom. Ooh, that was good. Cranberry Orange Cider. I believe this was part of the winter collection with that other one that I did. Cranberry Orange Cider. So good. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Then, let's see. Spiced Berries. I'm going to call that fall winter, even though it was a bring back my bar. I get 2 of them. It is really good. It is a really good scent. For me, it's very winter, I think. I'm going to say winter. Okay, I think, let's see. Oh, no. Swirling Snowflakes. This was also a sleeper. I loved it. And I got onto it late. I had it. When I first smelled it, it was just okay. I put it in my bathroom. I was like, make sure you put that in your club. This was a great bar. I don't know if you guys liked it. Let me know. Let me know which ones are your favorite, you guys. Let's see. We're going to do... Okay, this was a wintry scent, fall winter scent when I first joined. And then I put it in my Scentsy Club the last time it was a bring back my bar. And it's Rum Raisin Cookie. I get 2 of them. You guys, I love this scent. Ooh, so good. Yes. That was a living room scent. I love this scent. I love bakery for fall winter. I don't like tree. I like bakery. All right, so now I think we're going to do our fallish kind of scents. And I have Gimme Candy, which I just did in my I think it's in my bi-monthly as well. I don't like the taste of candy corn. Don't come for me. But I love the smell. This was a scent of the month when we had that Frankenstein warmer. Maybe September. Oh, it's so good. Ooh, I love that one. Give me candy. All right. I hope they put that in the catalog. This one was originally a scent of the month, and then they put it in our fall winter catalog last time, but I made sure to put it in my Scentsy Club because if they don't put it back in the catalog, I'm going to be so, so sad. But now I get 2 every quarter of Scary Good, and it's phenomenal. It's very fall, and it's spicy, and it's scary good. So good. All right. The next one was a fall scent when I first joined, and then we had it in Bring Back My Bar, and I love it. And it's coconut pumpkin pie. I love anything coconut and pumpkin. It's phenomenal. Oh, this is a good scent. See, scent should bring you joy. That's why you need a Scentsy Club. Because don't get stuck ordering things that you're like, I don't know. Like when you love something, put it in your club so that you can always get it. So that you have this like reaction. Ooh, that's so good. All right. So now we're going to do, all right, let's see. Let's do bedroom scents first. We're going to do green tea smoothie. It was, I also have it, and I think my monthly. Oh, it's beautiful. I put it in my bedroom. It was a Bring Back My Bar, and I loved it. Same thing, all of it with pear blossom and cucumber. I have it in my monthly as well. So good. So good. Same thing with flirtatious. Amazing. It was in the same round of Bring Back My Bar. Bedroom scent. Sugar was a long time ago. It was in our catalog when I first joined, but then I put it in my club when we had it for Bring Back My Bar because it's phenomenal. I warm this all the time. It's literally just sugar. Man, you guys. I have the best Scentsy Club. I'm sorry. I do. All right. Strawberry Rose. It was in our catalog. Or no, I think it was a scent of the month years ago. And I put it in my club. And it's beautiful. I don't like rose. But Strawberry Rose. Holy mackerel. What a great scent. I have a bunch of what is it? Scent circles, and I bought a ton of them. They were in a flash sale, and I bought a ton for myself. And my daughter actually has them in her car too. All right. Another bedroom scent was our Valentine's Day, part of our Valentine's Day collection, Starburst Sky. I bought a bunch of the hand lotion, the hand cream. And literally people, when I'm driving at work, I'll be driving a truck, so I'm up high and they're standing down below on the ground. And they're like, oh my God, that smells so good. What is that? I'm like, it's my hand lotion. Because I lean my hand out like that. Oh, it's such a good scent. So good. All right. What else is a bedroom scent? Pink Coconut, which was a scent of the month. February, March. Somewhere around there. So good. All right. Let's see. I think the rest is... Oh, okay. So now we're going to do kitchen scents. Banana Nut Bread is tied for first place with Peppermint Dreams as my #1 all-time Scentsy scent. This is the scent that really started Scentsy. Our CEO, we have 2, Heidi and Orville, husband and wife. Orville brought it home for Heidi with a warmer, and she warmed it, and when he walked in the house, he thought she was baking banana nut bread because it's legit a dead ringer. It's phenomenal. It is so good. Okay. Next one, Hazelnut Latte. I get 4 of these in my monthly. I absolutely love this. It was a Bring Back My Bar. I I can't stop with this scent. I keep saying I'm going to put my, I have like lemon coconut chiffon and my banana rama. And I keep sticking to this and Perk Me Up, which is was a Bring Back My Bar scent. I have 2 of them. I get 2. And it's coffee. Just straight coffee. I like to mix it with banana rama or chocolate coconut cream. And it makes such good scents. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Anything vanilla you can mix it with. I love mixing coffee scents. Love it. All right. Here's, speaking of vanilla cream. I like to put this in my living room and I like to put it in my kitchen. It's a fantastic like vanilla scent, but you also get that buttercream. Oh, so good, you guys. All right, so that is my kitchen scents. Now we're going to do bathroom. You guys know, if you follow me, you know, it's all about coconut cotton. I absolutely love it. It is so good. Oh, man. Love this scent. All right, now these 2 I get for my daughter because, well, I love them both. And my daughter really loves them, and she likes really strong scents. Ooh, Wild Black Cherry. She loves this scent. So I'm going to be giving her this one because she loves really, really strong scents. And I have so many bars. So I give these to her. And Mulberry Bush. She loves this one too. Again, powerhouse. So that is my quarterly Scentsy Club. It's huge. Let me know if any of these were your favorites. Let me know if there's any that you love. And if there's any that you're like, oh, girl, you like gimme candy or whatever, you know, which I won't come for you. We're still going to be friends, even if you don't like what I like, okay? I mean, just look at my good friend Jackie Duran. Her and I don't think we like any of the same scents, like none of them, but I love the heck out of her. Like, so whatever your opinion is, I'm good. And then remember, I got this half off. That's why Scentsy Club's amazing. And I saved 10% on all of it. So, anyway, let me know what you think. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!